cat lost 2 teeth. Yesterday he lost one and today he lost one. They're right over here. They're in this bag over here. Right there, you see them? I'm gonna take them out to show you guys. I'm going over here in the kitchen. I gotta open it up, then I'll show you. Okay. They're right here. Tooth number 1. Yeah, he's supposed to be growing his big tiger tooth in. Right here. Yeah, he lost 2 teeth. The cat that lost, yeah, and we got rid of Swagger, the orange cat, because Mom couldn't handle 2 kittens because they were too wild together. This is the cat that has been losing teeth, Striker. Striker, can I show them your teeth? Hopefully I don't hurt your teeth. It's hard to hold the camera. Well, here, I'll do this. See those teeth? It's okay. Yeah, the tooth right here on his tooth is out. Oh, he's going to sit in his little box with his 2 little toys. Well, anyways, I just wanted to tell you guys that my cat has been losing teeth. And he's going to be growing in adult teeth now. I'm going to sit in the living room for a little bit, then I'm going to upload another video of playing Fortnite. So, bye guys.